Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download and add apps into Hisense Smart TV. First thing first, before installing any app outside the Play Store, you have to turn the setting on, which is the unknown sources. Just open settings on your Hisense TV and go to personal options, then security. Scroll to install from unknown sources and enable it because this will allow your TV to install APK files manually and load it later. Now open the Google Play Store on your Hisense TV and install Sideload Launcher, a file manager. Any TV-friendly one works. Now these tools let you open and manage apps that don't appear in the regular app list. You can install now apps directly from the Google Play Store on your computer or just on your TV. Go to the browser and go to the Play Store. Search for the app and then click Install. Sign in with your same Google account your TV uses, and now Google will ask you which device do you want to install this app on. Now choose your Hisense TV from the list and make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Once the installation finishes, your TV gets a notification saying the app is installed and done. The app now will appear in your apps section or inside Sideload Launcher. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.